Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Ruby here. So it's been a while, you guys. I haven't done a makeup look. So today I am going to play into some makeup and I am going to do a look. So if it's your first time here, welcome to the channel. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell that when I do upload a video, you can be notified, my friend. So let's get started. So I am going to just oil my lip. This is from Essence. I did a short on this. This is a lip oil from Essence, you guys. So let's put some of my lip because my lip is feeling a bit dry. So my friends, today we are going to do an eye look first, and then we are going to apply some makeup to the face. So I am going to use some concealer today on my lid, which is from LA Color. Or is it? Yeah, from LA Girl or LA Color, whatever you guys think. So let's put some of this on my lid, and I am going to use this brush and I'm just gonna blend it out, my friend. So how are you guys doing? It's been a while. I haven't posted on this channel. I have two channels, you guys. This one is J Spark Makeup. I have another channel at Beauty Lifestyle, Ruby Beauty Lifestyle. So whichever one you choose, please check my channel out, my friend. So this is what I am. It's a little bit sunny outside. Hopefully it do not messed up. You can see me clearly. So today, you guys, I am going to go into an eyeshadow palette here that I have for a while, and sometimes I like to go back into old palettes. So this one is from Pure Barbie. So I'm gonna go into this one here, and I read in it here, and I'm going to do my look today from this eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna go into this one and just apply it here to my outer corner of my eyes. I miss doing makeup, you guys, but you know, sometimes you want to come on, but you have things to do, other things to do. Nowadays I find myself either very busy or sometimes I get really tired, and I know I'm not working, so I'm not supposed to feel. But when you get up in age, my birthday is around the corner, and you know, I'm going to turn 65 soon. Not, I still have a month left, if you say that. So, you know, I have this thing here. I can keep brushing it. So I have some brush in it. And these are from the dollar store. I bought this and I use it. It is a brush holder. So I use it to put some of my brush because I have a lot of brush. Yeah. So I have something that I need to do, and it sort of keep me a bit busy sometimes not to get around to doing makeup. But I miss doing my makeup look. I miss doing these look, you guys, because you know it's so good when you can go back. And this was something, makeup is something that I always look forward to. But you know, when COVID come in, everything changed. Like, you don't want to really do makeup because you know I used to have to wear masks, and as I said, I still wear masks. Like if I'm going out, I still wear my mask, but if I'm inside, I'm good. So today I wanted to do a full face of makeup. So I use this color, and I'm going into this one, and I also go into this one here. So I have three color that I use: this one, and then this one. And I'm just blending out the eyeshadow here. So I'm gonna go into this color right here, and I'm gonna use my fingers, you can see, and then applying it to my inner corner. Apply it to my inner corner, you guys, and you can see how beautiful this color look. So guys, I just prime my face and I use the NYX primer, which bear with me, I don't have a lot left in it, so then that's what I use. So I'm gonna go into this foundation I have that is almost finished, and I'm just gonna put some of this on my hand, and this is from Paba Cosmetic, one of my favorite product from Paba. So this is it, you guys. So I am going to apply the foundation to my face. So guys, this is the final look of my makeup. Doing my makeup, you guys really miss doing my makeup. So this is my final look here. This is my palette. And for watching, God bless you, and please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Also turn on notification bell. Like when I do upload a video, you can be notified. God bless you, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.